Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage activation error on iPhone iOS 16 and 17. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back your home screen, open your iPhone and iPad setting, scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on software update, and from here you make sure that update your iPhone, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your again setting and tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off this toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back, scroll down, then tap on journal, then tap on date and time. From here you make sure that turn on this toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it turn on about toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down, then tap on message. From here turn off this iMessage toggle, and after that go back, scroll up, turn on airplane mode, and after a few minutes you have to scroll down, tap on iMessage. What you need to do it turn on this toggle, go back, scroll up and turn off aeroplane mode, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Open your setting, scroll down, then tap on journal, scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode, tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.